Okay, good morning, students, and assalamu alaikum. So don't be surprised by watching this page, seeing this page. Take out this page number, first of all, of your books. Previously, we had done the exercise. Take out page number 19 of your books right now, all of you. Page number 19 of your books. Have you taken out page number 19 of your books? Look at question number 3. Page number 19 निकाल लिया. Look at question number 3 of page number 19. What does it say? Complete the sentences about part 1 and 2 of the story on page number 111. ठीक है, this is the question. So I have taken out this page number 111. All of you take it out this page 111 now. Turn on your cameras, everyone. I need to see you all. Ibrahim, Adan, Mubarra, turn on your cameras. We have to complete these sentences given from the text. Teacher, what's this? Have you taken out page number 111? Yes, Mahmood. जी
वो जो आपने उस दिन करवाया था ना, वो करवाते दोबारा से.
बेटा उस पे अभी I can't waste my time again. That video you can watch it on YouTube. I have uploaded on YouTube with the date. Okay, go and watch at school's channel. Do mention to yesterday's date and you will get the lecture. Okay, take out your rough copies along with you because there is no space here. You can't write sentences here on the books. We have to complete these sentences given in the text. तो बस हमने वही लिखने हैं ना, कुछ ज्यादा इसमें इशू नहीं है. There is no much to worry about it. They have given us exercise on page number 111, so we have to complete it. I'm saying the sentences now. Please listen to it very carefully. These are 10 sentences. It will take me a long time to repeat one sentence again and again. So write your sentences very carefully on your rough copies. Please. अभी rough copies पे लिखें. Then you will have to write on your neat copies. Have you taken out your copies? Should I start writing or saying? Ibrahim, why your camera is off? Okay, sentence number 1. William's father was annoyed because के बाद आप लिखेंगे. अभी आप सिर्फ जो आंसर्स है ना, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन दैट. पूरा सेंटेंस मत लिखें. जो मैं आपको सेंटेंस बता रही हूँ, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन दैट. बिकॉज के बाद आएगा he had just He had just woken up. WOKEN. Woken up from his nap. NAP nap. Because के बाद आप लिखेंगे he had just woken. WOKEN. Woken up from. FROM. From his nap. NAP nap. Done. Filza, have you done? Fatma, Mubarak, everyone had done it. Mahmood, Adan, done. Okay. Look at sentence number 2 now. William wanted to collect some money to so that he and the outlaw, he and the outlaw could buy bows and arrows. He and the outlaw could, COULD, could buy bows, 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 and arrows, ARROWS, arrows. Done. So he and the outlaw could buy bows and arrows. Number 3, William planned the show for Sunday afternoon because every Sunday afternoon, you will write every Sunday afternoon, William's mother every Sunday afternoon, William's mother visited a friend. Visited a friend. Are you guys done? Number 4, William wrote notices for all the exhibits. All the exhibits. EXHIBITS. William wrote notices for all the exhibits. EXHIBITS. Number 5, the children were surprised when they heard HEARD, heard when they heard Aunt Emily snoring When they heard Aunt Emily's snoring, 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 snoring. When they heard Aunt Emily's snoring. Done. Number 4 or number 5. Right, number 6. William decided to show another exhibit, so he wrote notices. WROTE, wrote notices. Wrote notices for Aunt Emily. AUNT, Aunt, EMILY, Emily, Aunt Emily. Repeat 5. Okay, I'm repeating number 5. The children were surprised when they heard Aunt Emily snoring. When they heard Aunt Emily snoring. Number 6. Mahmoud, have you done? Write down number 6 now. Yes, I'm repeating 6 again. He wrote notices for Aunt Emily and some of the things in her bedroom. And some of the things in her bedroom. Done? Mahmoud, लिख लिया? Have you done? Okay, good. Number 7. Look at number 7. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw boys in her bedroom. Yes, this will be uploaded on YouTube. Why you're not writing, Fatma? Okay, number 7. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw the boys in her bedroom. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw the boys in her bedroom. Done? Number 7. Okay, number 8. Aunt Emily packed her bags and left because she was furious. Furious, furious. She was furious. Furious. Because she was furious. Furious. Repeat number 7 for you, Mubara. Okay, I'm repeating number 7. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw the boys in her bedroom. I have repeated, Mubara. Turn on your camera. When Aunt Emily woke up, she saw the boys in her bedroom. Those whose cameras are not on, why you are not turning on your camera? Turn my camera. Turn my camera on. No, Bara, I can't see you. Okay. Number 8 is done. Number 9. William ended up with less money than he expected because the children visited because the children visited the exhibit because the children visited the exhibit exhibit of Aunt Emily again and again, comma, the children visited the exhibit of Aunt Emily again and again, comma, and his father gave him some money. And his father gave him some money. I am repeating 9-1 again. The children visited the exhibit exhibit. The children visited the exhibit of Aunt Emily again and again, comma, and his father gave him some money. And his father gave him some money. Done? Done? Okay, number 10. William's father gave William a pound because he was pleased, 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 because he was pleased that Aunt Emily had gone. He was pleased because Aunt Emily had gone. Done? Anyone wants me any question to repeat? I'm repeating number 10 again. He was pleased that Aunt Emily had gone. He was pleased that Aunt Emily had gone. Pleased, pleased. He was pleased Aunt Emily had gone. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write it down in your copies, in classwork copies. Yes, Mubara?
टीचर
जी.
हमने ये कॉपीज पे किस तरह लिखना है?
In copies, जो ये the first part which is given in the book, you will write it down with marker, and the rest of the answer you will write it down with pen.
ओके टीचर, थैंक यू.
You're welcome. Question you will write that the question which is given on the on page number 19. ठीक है? Complete the sentences about part 1 and 2 of the story on page 111. Question आप यही लिखोगे, then you will write it down in your classwork copies. And I have told you previously कि जो मैंने questions के 2 answers लिखवाए थे in last class. What happened when Aunt Emily woke up, and do you think William's father was angry? That also you have to write it down on your copies. Remember? Page number 18, take out page number 8, page number 19 again. On page number 19, there are 2 questions given. What happened when Aunt Emily woke up? Do you think William's father was angry with him? Why and why not? These 2 questions also you have to write it down on your classwork copies, please. Yes, Mubara?
टीचर,
जी.
मैंने क्लास में कॉपीज पे लिख लिए हुए हैं.
Okay, good. Okay, you have one more homework. Just wait a second. Okay, can you see this page number 19 on your screens now? Okay, now look at this question number 4. Use your answers from exercise 3 to write a summary of the story. Answer 3 जो हमने अभी की है, the answers we have written down, उसको देख के that 10 parts, you have to write the summary. What is the summary of the story? जो हमने part 1 और part 2 पढ़ा है, that and you have to write the summary by yourself by using those sentences that are given on page number 111. Understood? Do you understood my your homework? Mubara, stop playing with your brother. Alifia, Abdullah, you have joined the class late. Rewatch the video and do your work. Have you joined the class late now? Okay, you have to rewatch the video. Question number 3 is also homework. Question number 4 is also homework. But write, use your answer from exercise 3. जो exercise 3 मैंने आपको कराई है, वही आपने as a summary लिखनी है. Don't write anything by yourself. जो exercise के answers हैं, complete answers, उसको as it is as a summary आपने एक paragraph में लिख देना है, ठीक है? You will not write numbering in it. बस आपने उसको एज अ पैराग्राफ पूरा का पूरा नेक्स्ट पेज पे लिख देना है. यस अलीफिया.
Teacher, what's the summary?
Beta, the answers which we have done on page number 111. Understood, Alifia? Yes, your camera is on. So question number 3 and 4 is for your homeworks on your classwork copies.